Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the basic naming of organic molecule and I'm going to explain it to you as if you're 7 years old. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so organic chemistry, we all know it's about carbon bonds. So for carbon bonds, we have naming, we have numbers. Okay, so one carbon, if you have only one carbon, that means you have a metal. If you have two, you have ethyl. If you have three, propyl. Okay, so we're gonna go until 10th. Okay, so 4 is going to be butyl. 5th, pentyl. Okay, 6 is hexyl. 7th is heptyl. 8 is octyl. 9 is nonal. That's an interesting name. And 10 is decyl. Okay, so if I were to tell you, draw a methyl, how would you draw a methyl? That's how you draw it back. Let's go with ethyl. So if I were to tell you how you draw ethyl, back in the days you would have drawn ethyl like, oh, this is your ethyl would have looked like. Yeah. And if I were to draw, told you like, oh, draw a pentyl, so that's how your pentyl would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And then you would have put hydrogen around and around and around and around and around. Oh, Lord, that took me forever. Oh, okay. So probably you'll be thinking, okay, so what's the point of just drawing hydrogen bonds? It would take you decades. So for organic chemistry, guess what? You don't have to draw none of these. Okay, we're gonna cancel them out. So you don't have to draw hydrogen. Ignore hydrogen as if you ignored that last quiz. Great. I'm not funny. Okay, so let's go forward. So what would you do? You're gonna just draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this is called, so you have to do this, I call them the pyramids. Okay, you have to do the pyramids. The top of the pyramid is a carbon and the bottom of the pyramid is carbon. So let's see how many carbons I draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 6, 7. Move forward. Okay, so you can see that I drew 8. So what's is going to be the name? Is going to be octyl. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we know in organic chemistry, yeah, this is octyl. Yeah, great. Okay, what about if I put something like this? So this is called like the long carbon chain. Okay, this is the long carbon chain. Don't mind my handwriting, it's messy. Okay, because I'm organic major, so you can make sense of that. Anyways, so first you have to do is which one is the long carbon chain, and we talked about like the chain, right? So I'm gonna count which one is the longest carbon chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5. Let's count the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's a tie. When it's a tie, just pick whichever you like. I would just go with the green one because green is my favorite color. So you're gonna put the group in like a substitutes that is out of the carbon chain give that the first number. So like the closest first number. And in here, we're gonna just name them. So what is our first? Here's the thing. We have to name the, oh my God. First we have to name the chain. The chain is, oh, okay, great, pentane. Pentane, oh. Well, I made a mistake here, guys. See, you learn from mistakes. That's what my professor said. This, oh, we have the suffix. We have the suffix "ane," and the all that I was talking all the time for this one is like when it's a substitutious, you're gonna put that one in. Okay, so my bad. See, I caught my mistake. Let's go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 chains, so it's going to be pentane. Okay, is that a pentane? Yeah, pentane. And then we're gonna put, where is our metal group? Oh, it's on carbon 2. Yeah, so you can just put 2 metal pentane. So it's basically like you're giving an address of where something is located at. Like, oh my God, every time I touch it with my finger, it just makes that line. Okay, whatever. I'm trying to remove this first. Okay, with both hands. Yep. Okay, so let's name something. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, let's name this one. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so what was our first rule? Our first rule was to, I'm gonna just put, name the longest carbon chain. Okay, which, I'm gonna color code it. Okay, this is, I believe, the longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and how many substituents are around that? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. So we know that first we have to put our longest chain name, which is oct. Okay, that's not an oct. I drew oot. That's the oct. And what's the suffix? We all know it's "ane." So, and now you're gonna just pull, how many metal do you have? Tell me. Yeah, 3 metal, right? And if you have 3 metal, on which carbon is it? Okay, so one's on 6, okay, one's on 7, and one's on 5, and they're metal. Yeah, it's 6, 7, 5 methyl octane. Yeah, that's the name. Yep. Okay, so we have to talk about what if you put a halogen? What if I put something? Okay. I'm gonna talk about that in next video. Okay. I hope this helped. If not, let me know. Thank you.